Hi guys, welcome again in my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. So today we will start what is SAST and what is test. If you still not watch my video about the basics of cybersecurity or CIA trade life cycle, which is very important in application security, so just go in my YouTube channel and see the videos, and let me know your comments in a comment section. So here is we will start SAST versus test, as SAST is a static application security testing versus test is a dynamic application security testing. So today we will start how we can differentiate between both SAST and test. So here I am uh, sharing you the details for the SAST and test. Static application security testing is is that type of a testing where we can where a penetration tester or vulnerability assessment penetration tester. Before we know that what is SAST and how we are using how we will use SAST, you need to understand what is a SAST. So SAST is a static application security testing where the penetration tester or an application security tester use this word to check the code of an application, quality of the code. So if I'm saying I'm checking the source code of an application, so it will comes in a SAST part. So SAST is the static application security testing, that type of a testing where an application tester is have a all the knowledge about the source code of an application. He know what is the language, um, what is the front end, what is the back end, what is the things are running in the application. So these all things are come in a SAST application security testing. Now let's come on how it is work. So as I already told you, we if I am a PT is means penetration tester or penetration testing. So if I am a PT tester, so I if or I am working on a SAST application security testing. So I have all the details. I know how to analyze the application source code, bytecode, binary without executing an application. Now next one, my target it will be the find vulnerability early in the development life cycle. So SAST application security testing always performed in the during the development or after the development between after the development, or we can say between development and production. If you know what is development or production, then much better. Otherwise you can put the comment in a put the comment in below comment section. I will make the large video on the keywords of a application security or cyber security or VAPT or these type of things. So this is how it works. Now we need to know what is the testing scope. So focus on the internal logic and structure of the code, detect issues like SQL, XSS, CSR, FBuffer overflow and all. So next one is the execution. So does not require a running application, operate as a white box testing method. White box means they have all knowledge about the code. So speed and integration does fast result, since it doesn't require execution, can be integrated into CI/CD pipeline to scan code automatically during development. After the strength, identify flow before the application is deployed. Useful for developers to fix issues during coding. This is the very best technique in the static application security testing. What is the limitations? So limitations is this cannot identify runtime or environment specific issues, may produce false positive. Okay, so let's come on the dynamic application security testing. Dynamic application and security testing is the type of a testing where a security tester doesn't have any knowledge inside the application. What is the front end, back end? What is the language a developer used in the background or in a code? They don't have any knowledge about the application. So let's see how it is work. Test the application in the running state by simulating attacks. Identify vulnerability in the deployed application. Testing scope is this focus on the external behavior of the application. Detect issues such as Broken authentication, misconfigured API, or unprotected sensitive data. Execution is require the application to be running. Operate a black box testing method. Speed authentication is slower since it require the application to be up and running. Typically performed in staging or production environments, and this detect runtime environment, related vulnerabilities, simulate real world attack scenarios. So here is also some limitations of the dynamic application security tester. So cannot pinpoint the exact location of the vulnerability in the code. May miss vulnerability is unreachable part of the application. So this is the limitations. Now let's come on the comparison part. So here I have made a table for you so you can understand easily what is as test difference between both. In video I have covered all the things about the SAS test basics. Now let's come on the differentiation. So here is the methodology of the SAS is analyze code statically, test the application dynamically in the test, access to code in the SAS, required code access why it works. And as I already told you, test testers doesn't have a code access, so no code access needed in the black box phase early in the SDLC, post deployment or staging, vulnerability type, code based issues, runtime and environment issues, buffer overflow, logic errors, authentication flows, API misconfigured. So this is the um, throughout information about the SAST and DEST. SAST is ideal for developers and early in the software's life cycle, and DEST is better for identifying runtime vulnerability in the live environment. So hope you guys will like my video, and please share, subscribe my channel, and comment below in the comment section so that I will improve the things and make the longest video on the particular things. Okay.